Good morning, it's me again. Um, if you follow on the board with me, I have two verbs, brings and take. And we're going to establish the difference between them two and to know exactly when to use them and when to best use them. All right. Not only you need to know when to use them, but you need to know when to best use them. Because oftentimes people tend to use one over the other. Also, we don't want that. We want you to use the exact one, the correct one, when you need to use it. All right, so bring, as you can see, bring is the motion toward the speaker. When you use the verb to bring, the action, the motion must be done toward the speaker. For example, if I say, bring me a alright cup of tea. Alright, bring me a cup of tea. That means exactly the person who's bringing me the tea move the tea toward me. All right, let me rephrase that for you. Bring me a cup of tea. That exactly means somebody is bringing me some tea. So they're coming toward me. All right, not away from me, but toward me. You are at the supermarket and I tell you, oh, don't forget to buy me, or don't forget to bring me or to buy me some. Yeah, okay, at the supermarket. Don't forget to bring me, buy me some some salt. All right. So what action that what action that the person is going to do? The person is going to buy the salt at the supermarket and bring it to me. That's mean the salt is not going away from me, but is coming toward me. That is the action of bringing. Okay, I bring it. All right. To continue on the process, as I said, bring is the action. The motion is done toward me. The motion is done toward the speaker, toward the writer. For example, I'm the one speaking right now, and I say, bring me something. You're gonna bring me something from wherever you take it from. Okay? I take it from the supermarket and I bring it to you. That's bring. But if I say take this away from me, that's mean that was close to me and I ask you to remove it, to take it away. Um, let's see. Take the cat to the. Alright. Take the cat to the vet. Alright. The cat is not feeling well, and I ask my friend to take the cat to the vet. What does that mean? That means my friend is taking the cat from the house to the vet, moving the cat away. That's the difference. The bring is move toward me. Take is move away from me. All right, so that's the main thing you need to remember. All right, bring motion toward the speaker. Take motion away from the speaker. All right. If I say, I'm going to take my dog for a walk. Okay, I'm going to take my dog for a walk. That means I take the dog from the house and move it away from the house. Even I said the motion is doing away from the speaker. Even I'm the speaker, but that's mean I move away with the dog. That's take away. Okay, bring. That's mean you bring something to me. Hey, bring me some wine. Okay. For example, I am sitting in the living room watching TV, and my wife is in the kitchen, and I ask her to bring me some wine. What is she going to do? She's going to go to open the fridge and take some wine and bring it to me. Okay, take some wine from the fridge and bring it to me upstairs in the living room. So bring me some red. Bring me some red wine. Okay, that's mean the action is taking the wine from the fridge and bring it to me. But if I say, would you please take this one? Okay, take it away. Take the wine away. All right, take the wine away. That's mean the wine was close to me and I asked her to take it away, to remove it, to disappear the wine from the table because I don't want to see it anymore. To sum up, what you need to understand, what you need to know between bring and take, bring, what you need to understand between bring and take. Bring is come toward me. Bring something to me. Bring something to me. Comme si je dis, apporte-moi quelque chose. Apporte-moi quelque chose. Okay? Maintenant, quand je dis take is like move something away from me. Okay? Qu'est-ce que je dis? Peux-tu retirer ça sur la table? Peux-tu enlever ça sur la table? Ok, enlève ça sur la table et mets ça quelque part dans le frigo. Ok, enlève ça sur la table. Alright. So take is take away from me. Bring is bring toward me. And if you like this video, share in the comment and don't forget to share it among your peers. And one of the things I'm going to tell you here, if you are ready to do your business online, do not hesitate to contact me. I can help you do open your store on Amazon and start selling and make money like everybody else. Alright. Un bon créole, si vous voulez faire business online, vous pouvez contacter moi. Et écrivez un commentaire en bas vidéo ça et que moi map comment pour m'assister pour ouvrir store dans Amazon. Ciao.